You like the kitty too? You like the kitty? You playing with the kitty? Oh, you like the kitty? What, Choo? What, Choo? He's a good boy. What? You want to play with the kitty? You want to play with the kitty? Oh, you gonna play with the kitty? You want to play with the kitty? Woof woof. Ruff ruff. No, he's like, dude, I want to play. Fuck you. Huh. He's a good boy. You're high, cat. Get off the screen. You want to play with the kitty? This bitch. Well, Chewy wants to, like, play with her. And she just wants to run away.
Can I bring Squirrely out?
Yeah, might as well. He's like, yay, I can run around and bark on the blankie. See, he wants to play with the kitty, but he's getting all weirded out. Huh, you want to play with the kitty? You like the kitty. Err. Go grab his little stupid butt. He might be stuck in his sweater. Err. There's a squirrel. You want to kill the kitty too? You want to get the kitty? Ooh. You gonna chill out here? Okay. Yeah.